We're ready to do our whip stitch. A whip stitch, again, will look like this around the edges of our plate. And when you're sewing, no matter what your creation would be, the edge would have a little stitch right around the edge or the border of whatever you're sewing, whether it's a purse or a robot, stuffed animal, whatever it is. Whip stitch is an important basic step to know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn over my plate. It's now facing down. A whip stitch will start on the back. Where will a whip stitch start? On the back. You're not going to be starting it poking down at the front of the plate. Start underneath, because I'm going to just pick a spot on the edge of my plate, right about there, and I'm coming up from the bottom. I'm going to pull my yarn until I get to my knot. You don't want a knot on the front of your plate. This is the part that's going to be displayed. We want to have good craftsmanship, so we want to make sure it's on, the knot is on the back. Now this is what we're going to do. I now have a knot in the back and a yarn in the front. Whip stitch means all I'm going to do is take my needle to the back, again, poke it through, and pull again. Pull my yarn until it goes all the way like that. I'll start seeing little line stitches. I'm going to move over a little bit, always starting from the back. A whip stitch is from the back. And you'll start seeing the pattern of those little lines. Push from the back, pull it through all the way. Doop. If it starts tipping a little bit or turning, sometimes that can be kind of cool. Sometimes people really like it if it's on an angle a bit. That's great. You decide what you like. Keep going. And you're going to be going around and around until you have whip stitched this entire plate, so that it's going to go all the way around. Remember, you start from the back, pull through. I'm leaving my finger here just to help the string along. Boop. And keep going. One at a time. Go, go, go. And you keep going until you have created a whip stitch around the plate. That's a whip stitch. I'm going to finish this up and then I'll be right back to show you a running stitch.